Want to bleed your motorcycle brakes like a pro without expensive tools? Check out this universal hydraulic brake bleed syringe kit, a simple DIY solution for better braking. This 100 ml syringe and 30 cm tube attach directly to your brake caliper bleed nipple, making it easy to remove old fluid and air bubbles from your hydraulic brake or clutch system. Compatible with Honda, Yamaha, Kawasaki, Suzuki, and most scooters or quads, it's perfect for home mechanics. The clear syringe lets you see the fluid as you work. Regular bleeding improves brake feel, safety, and performance. This affordable kit saves you a trip to the shop and puts you in control of your bike's maintenance. Ready to tackle your own brake service? Check the link in the description below to buy this universal brake bleed kit now. Ride safe, and thanks for watching.